National trial attorney Michael Jaafar, who is watching this. Our thanks to Cody Thomas for that really close-up look at this scene so that we can imagine what Stephen Stearns is telling police, claiming he was in this location or that location. Michael Jaafar, I know you are a great defense attorney. You mentioned this is going to be a challenging case for whoever takes it. Do you think they are going to plead this one out or take their chances at a trial?
That's a great question, Julia. If a plea is offered that saves him from the death penalty, I don't see how any defense attorney worth his salt would not beg his client to take it. That's a great question. I didn't even think about it. But yes, if they offer him a plea, because if I was a defense attorney and with the facts that I'm seeing here, if they offered you life without parole, I would take it. Now, what I will also say that gave me heartburn as a defense attorney, because I was looking at it from the defense attorney's standpoint during those interviews, what gave me heartburn was just how well those investigators accommodated the Fifth Amendment. They carefully did it. They didn't even know she was dead at that point. I would be so frustrated as a defense attorney watching that, because they never told him, let me look at your phone. They said, can I look at your phone? They didn't say, let me look at your Google Maps. They said, can I look at your Google Maps? And he's like, yeah, sure, go ahead, look at everything, right? That's what you hope as an investigator. And it was all recorded, right? So I see no avenue for the defense attorney to say any of this stuff is a fruit of the poisonous tree. I don't see how any technicality would apply to kick any of this stuff out of a court, because that would be your only way as a defense attorney. Is you want that entire video erased. You just don't want, you wish that it just didn't exist and all you had to deal with was the fact that, you know, he had child pornography and there was some video footage of her body in his car. You wish that that's all you could contend with, because this girl, poor soul, she did have a history of running away. So like, if you're a defense attorney and you don't have to contend with all the inaccuracies and all the misstatements in that video, you're happy, but you're not going to be happy because you do have to contend with it. And they accommodated his Fifth Amendment rights. Look, something happened to this young man at the proper developmental stage. He took a wrong turn. He turned into a monster. He's a sociopath. You saw it. He was very narcissistic by even talking, because at that time he knew he killed her, right? Allegedly, he knew he killed her, and yet he was talking to them, and he just could not stop talking. So
I love that you pulled out those issues of the Fifth Amendment and how they were careful to go around it. Michael Jaafar, thank you for all of that insight. We have